terms of t. This is the way to verify. Okay, so verification is done. So it is nothing but a simple recursive equation. So we can apply recursion tree method to express the complexity. Okay, fine. Then you just follow one line of the note you have written or you have noted down, that you have to represent the computation in the form of a tree. Then your question will be, sir, what type of tree it will be? Will it be always a binary tree? Will it be always any kind particular type of tree? My answer is, it is not always a binary tree. Be careful. It is not always a binary tree, but it will be a tree at least. Then your next question will be, sir, if you have a plan to represent the problem in form of a tree, then sir, who will be the root of the tree? The root of the tree will be, you come to the right hand side of the expression and identify the term without t. Identify the term without t, t-less term. Identify the term without t. Which term in the right hand side of the expression is without t? Which term? Which term?
N.
Which one?
N.
N. So in this case, n will be the root. Okay. Now come here. How many t terms are there in the right hand side? How many t terms are there? Can anybody confirm? How many t terms are
One
there?
time.
How many t terms are there? 2t of n by
Two.
2. 2t of n by 2. You have 2 n by 2 terms. Okay. So 1 t of n by 2 will be the left subtree. Another t of n by 2 will be the right subtree. So this is actually t of n is concerned. Okay. Is it clear? Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
All of you, is it clear? Okay.
Yes,
So this
sir.
part is done. Fine. Then as per the note, you have to expand the current terms. Expand. So now you have completed level 0. Now you are at level 1. So level 1 needs to be further expanded. So here, if it is t of n, if it is t of n, then can anybody tell me what will be t of n by 2 as per the main expression? What will be t of n by 2? n के जगह में अगर तुम you put n equals to n by 2, you will get this value 2t of n by 4 plus n by 2, if I am not wrong. If you put n as n by 2 in the main expression, shall we get n t of n by 2 or not? तुम अगर main
Yes,
expression
sir.
में if you put n equals to n by 2, so definitely you will get n by 2 t of n by 2 as a result. So this n will be replaced by n by 2. This n will be replaced by n by 2. This n will be replaced by n by 2. Is it not? Okay. So if it is t of n by 2, then in this expression, who will be the next parent? Who will be the next parent? Who will be the next parent? Identify t
N by
less term.
2.
N by 2. Yes, without doubt. N by 2 will be the next parent. For which recurrence? T of n by 2. Then how many t terms are there? कौटा t term आछे? कितना t term
Two.
है यहाँ पे?
Two.
So t of n by 4 है. T of n by 4. How many? Twice t of n by 4. So if I want to expand this recurrence, is it not like n by 2 will be the parent, n by 2 will be the parent, then t of n by 4 will be the subtree? Am I right or wrong? T of n by
Yes.
4 will be the subtree. T of n by 4 will be the subtree. Okay? Kindly help me so that I can understand that you people are getting it. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
true?
Yes,
Yes.
All
sir.
of you? All of you?
Sir, by 4 times?
Why? So this n by 2 is the first branch. You have expanded it. This one. The same way you can expand it, na? The same way. Okay. Is it clear now? The same term, na? Left subtree and right subtree. Is it clear? Who raised the
Yes, sir.
questions can
Yes, sir.
answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Now is
sir.
it clear? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
is it not like the expression? which you have expanded as n by 2, n by 2. Then you got t of n by 4, t of n by 4, t of n by 4, t of n by 4. No doubt, if you put n equals to n by 4 in the main expression, you can further expand it. In that case, n by 4 will be the parent, and there all n by 8 will be the next term, and so forth. In that way, you can go on expanding it, right? Is it so? Is it
सर
so?
बोथ साइड एक्सप्रेशन सेम रहेगा?
कौन सा?
बोथ
कौन सा?
साइड राइट राइट एंड लेफ्ट एन के दोनों
हाँ,
सेम ही रहेगा
सेम
हरदम?
रहेगा, सेम रहेगा एज पर दिस एग्जाम्पल, बट नॉट ऑलवेज।
ओके
ओके,
सर।
यहाँ पे देखो टी ऑफ एन बाई टू टू टाइम्स है, तो तुम जो दिक में जाओगे वहां पे भी तुमको टी ऑफ एन बाई टू ही मिलेगा। हम नेक्स्ट जो
ओके।
एग्जाम्पल देगा उसमें डिफरेंट टर्म भी आएगा। ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
यस यस सर।
ओके, so what is the base case prescribed? What is the base case prescribed? T of 1 equals to 1, or the leaves. Somebody may say that T of 0 equals to 1, whatever it is. So once you expand it, finally you will stop your call. You will stop your call whenever you get all 1 at the leaves. Okay, like this. Is that clear? Up to this, is it clear? Otherwise, I cannot
Yes, sir.
proceed. Up to this, is it clear? So I want more voices. I am getting the common voices every time. So can anybody tell me
Yes,
apart
sir.
from this?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. Okay. So this part is done. Now the last part. You come back to level 0. What is the cost? What is the cost? The cost per note is, here it is n. What is the cost? N by 2 plus n by 2. What is it? N. What is the cost here? Can anybody tell me? N by 4 plus n
N.
by 4 plus n by 4 plus n by 4. Okay. So if you move on at the last, it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n. Okay. So level per cost you are getting is n. Okay. So we can say that the sum of the values at each level, the sum of the values at each level is n. Okay. Then your last part is, sir, how many levels I have traversed, that I have to calculate. You have calculated the sum of the values at each level. par level में क्या sum हो रहा है ये तुम calculate कर चुके हो. Then your question is, sir, how much level we have covered, that you need to calculate. Okay. So if there are 8 levels, if there are 8 levels, okay, then from the diagram, you people know that in data structure class that was described in the tree chapter, that longest level is called the height of the tree. So you have to calculate the longest level. So if you have the 8th level, then if you move on this side, you will cover each level with the same cost. If you move on this side and come to this branch, you will get the same cost. You are coming this one, because all the types you are getting the same weight. So definitely you are covering the same path. So now you see that you are covering the path as n, then n by 2, then n by 4, then what is expected? Then what is expected?
N by
N by
8.
8. In this way, you can cover it up to each level. Is it so? Okay. So, is it written as n divided by 2 to the power 0? That means 2 to the power level number. Okay. Then n by 2 can be expressed as n by 2 to the power 1. N by 4 can be expressed as n by 2 square. N by 8 can be expressed as n by 2 cube. Here 0, here 1. This is nothing but the level number, and you are dealing with a binary tree here. Okay, right? Fine. So, how many levels you have to traverse? 8th level. Okay, fine. So, in general, can we write n by 2 to the power 8? Can we write n by 2 to the power 8? Is it so? Is it so? Can we write n by 2 to the power 8? বুঝলে কিনা দেখো. If there are H levels, then from the diagram, we can see that n by 2 to the power 0, n by 2 to the power 1, n by 2 square, n by 2 cube, n by 2 to the power 3. In this way, you can getting the path to cover all total H levels. Okay. So, is it not like n by 2 to the power level numbers, n by 2 to the power current level number, n by 2 to the power current level number, and so forth? First level 0, n by 2 to the power 0. Second level 1, n by 2 to the power 1. Third level 2, n by 2 square. Fourth level a 3, n by 2 cube. In that way, you have to cover total H level. Is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? If it is
Yes,
not,
sir.
please, is it clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Sir.
clear? Okay. So where you have stopped? Where you have stopped? কোথায় থেমেছো? कहाँ पे रुके हो? Where you have stopped? In the base case or in the leaves? Yes. So what is the value in the base case? What is the value? Value क्या था? What was the value? 1. So when n by 2 to the power h equals to 1, you can stop it. Okay. So which one is the unknown parameter? N or h? Which one is the unknown parameter? N or h? किसको solve करना है? किसको solve करना है? How many levels you have traversed? How many levels you have h? So what is to be solved? N or h? কাকে solve করবে? কাকে solve করবে? H, because you have to calculate the value of h. So what is h? If you cross multiply it, 2 to the power h becomes n. And can anybody tell me what will be h now? What will be h? Bolo. N equals to 2 to the power h. It is just a cross multiplication I have done. Then tell me what is h?
Log n.
Yes, it is simply log n base 2. Okay. So you have two parameter, sum of the value at each level, and you have already calculated the total level. So can anybody tell me what is the total cost? Can anybody tell me what will be the total cost? क्योंकि बोलते पारबे कोई बोल सकेगा कि क्या total cost कितना होगा? Yeah. Yes. So the sum of the elements in all nodes, is nothing but height of the tree, that is h, multiplied by the sum of values at each level. Sum of values at each level. So what is h? You have calculated log of n base 2. And what is the sum of values at each level? প্রত্যেকটা লেভেলে ভ্যালু কত? Sum of values at each level কত ক্যালকুলেট করেছো? n. So multiplied by n. So what is the value? n log of n base 2. Okay, which can be expressed as big theta of n log of n base 2. Is it clear? Or if you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and raise the question. I am free to answer all the queries. Okay, please kindly unmute and raise your question if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can raise your voice. I am ready to answer.
Sir,
Is it
base
okay?
case value টা 1 কখন এলো?
এটা দেওয়া থাকবে. It will be given.
Okay.
Otherwise, you do not know where to stop.
Yes, sir. Why?
Okay. Any queries? First of all, represent it in the form of a tree. Expand the nodes. Represent up to the last. Okay. Then calculate the sum of values at each level. Okay. Then calculate the total level you have to traverse. So calculate the total level means you can easily find out the path, which is the longest path. Here all paths are same because the terms are same, n by 2 in each side, n by 4 in each side. So whichever path you follow, you will get the same cost. So in this way, find out the relationship with the level, then map it to the base case, calculate level, then multiply. Simple. Okay. This is one tricks. Shall I go for another example by which the concept would be more clear? Shall
Yes,
I?
sir. Yes, sir, please.
Okay. So take this example which somebody has raised. Said all the time shall we get the same term or different term? Just see it. এবার আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করব, you will help me to solve it. T of n by 3 plus T of twice n by 3 plus n. Okay. First of all, tell me, is it recursion or not? Is it recursion or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is recursion. Okay, because t terms are at the right hand side with the smaller inputs. Okay, then identify the t less term in the right hand side. T less term. What is
N.
t less? N. So which one will be the root?
N only.
N only. Very good. And what are the subtree?
T n by
One
2,
is,
T 2 n by
yes,
2.
one subtree is this one, another subtree is this one. So be careful. I am writing it in this fashion. T of n by 3 and T of 2n by 3. Okay. Then what is your objective? Your objective is to expand these two terms. Okay. So put n equals to n by 3 in the expression, that is in the main expression, and see what is the result. T of क्या होगा? n by
9.
9 plus T of
2n by 9.
2n by 9 and n will be n by 3 because you have replaced n as n by 3. Similarly, in rough, you can calculate T of 2n by 3. What it is? T of 2n by 9. Just I am replacing n as 2n by 3 plus বলো কি হবে? T of
4n by 9.
4n by 9 plus twice n by 3. Am I right? So n will be replaced by n by 3 in the first case and n will be replaced by 2n by 3 in the second case. Is it so? Is it so? Please
Yes, sir.
confirm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it will be expanded as n, then n by 3, then twice n by 3, then what will be the subtree of it? Tn by 9, then this one?
T 2n by 9.
Yes, Tn by 9. So where to write? Just a minute. Okay. So T of n by 9, T of 2n by 9. Okay. ये यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? T of 2n by 9 and this one T of 4n by 9. Is it so? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way you can stop. Fine. Right though? Fine. So tree representation is done. Assume the same thing. That is base case is 1. T of 1 equals to 1. Okay? Done. Now, next what to do? Next what to do? কি করবে?
Calculating H.
Yes, calculate the cost at each level. That means the sum of the values at each level. What is it? It is n. What is it?
N, sir. N.
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 What will be this one?
N, sir.
N by 9 to again it is n. But one note of warning. Not all time you will get the same value. Not all time you will get the same value. Okay? Be careful.
Even if
Yes.
the root is n, we will not get the same value.
Yes. Yes. It depends. It depends. Okay? So for n, so no, for n it is clear. But sometimes if it is n square,
Yes, sir.
but for it is n square, for n it is fine. Right. But for n square, this may be different.
Okay, sir.
Right now, it may be n square by beginning. Later on, it may be n square by 2. Later on, it
Yes,
may
sir,
be n
for
square,
n square,
by
yeah,
4.
it may be different.
Yes. Correct. You are correct. Okay. Right though? I told in general that not all time you will get the same cost. It depends or it varies from problem to problem. Right now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other queries somebody has raised? I forgot to answer. Okay, fine. So in this way, you can calculate. Then क्या करोगे? You have to calculate what? 8. Otherwise, you cannot multiply it with n. So now, this is the wise. If the height of the tree is 8, then what will be the total cost? Then the total cost that we are supposed to calculate will be 8 multiplied by n, because per level summation is n, but here your objective is to calculate 8. Okay, so your objective is to find the height. And do you recall that height is nothing but the longest path? Do you recall that height is nothing but the longest
sir.
path in the tree?
Yes, sir.
Here, listen. Here the longest path means path having more weight. Path having more weight. Longest means this one. Path having more weight. And the path to be formed from root to the leaf. Okay. So if you take this path, this one. So what is the trajectory? N to n by 3, then n by 9 and so forth. Okay. If you count this direction, n to n by 3, then 2n by 9, this is one. If you count this side, okay, your path will be n to 2n by 3, then what? 2n by 3, then 2n by 9, then and so forth. Okay. Is it so? Is it so?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you count this direction, n क्या होगा? 2n by 3, then बोलो
4n
this
by 9.
direction.
4n by 9.
4n. Okay. So among these 4, which one is of having more weight? First one, or second one, or third one, or fourth one? n by 3, n by 9. Okay. n by 3, 2n by 9. So automatically this is cancelled. n by 3, 2n by 9. Okay. 2n by 3. So automatically this is cancelled. 2n by 3, 2n by 9. Then 2n by 3, 4n by 9. This is cancelled. So which one is of having more weight and the longest in the sense? Which one? The last one. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? You have to take the path having more weight and starting from root to the leaf. Okay. एखाने longest माने यहाँ पे longest का मतलब होगा जिसमें weight ज्यादा है और वो root से लेकर last तक जाएगी. Okay.
सर ऐसा
Fine.
भी हो सकता है कि दोनों का सेम वेट हो.
ओ ये देखो लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में सेम था ना, यहाँ पे देखो सेम था. देखो
हाँ.
आप तब तुम क्वेश्चन किए थे, हम बोला था ऐसा भी एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है जिसमें डिफरेंट होगा. This one. So you have to take this one having the more weight, having more weight. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now there is a trick. So ultimately you have to calculate each. So let me write this one. N. Then you have taken 2n by 3. Then you have taken 4n by 9. In this way you have to move on. Can I rearrange it as n being rearranged as n by 3 by 2 whole to the power 0? This one. N by 3 by 2 whole to the power 1. This 0, this one is nothing but the level number. Then n by क्या लिखेगा? क्या लिखेगा? 9 by 4.
3 by 2 whole to the power 2.
3 by 2 whole to the power 2.
Yes, yes. Then in terms of h क्या लिखोगे? n by बोलो 3 by
3 by
2
2 whole to the power
8. Very good. So you have this one, n by 3 by 2 whole to the power 8 reaches to the base case. Then you can solve it. Just cross multiply. You will have 3 by 2 whole to the power 8 equals to n. Is it so? Is it so? So which implies h equals to log of n base 3 by 2. Am I right? Am I right? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
so? Okay. Then tell me the total cost. You put the value of h here, log of n base 3 by 2 multiplied by n. Okay. So ultimately, which is equivalent to theta of n. क्या लिखोगे? Log of n base 3 by 2. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जो क्लास कर रहे हो सबके पास ये क्लियर है क्या? नहीं बोलो तो, बाकी सब तो कुछ बोलो, because I'm not getting your faces. I do not know even you personally. So just confirm that you have understood or not. Just confirm.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
স্যার
Yes,
একটা কথা
somebody
বলছিলাম
has. হ্যাঁ বলো বলো।
স্যার ওই যে আপনি ওয়েট যেটা বেশি সেই রুটটা নিলেন ওটা তো স্যার
হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে স্যার ওইখানটা একটুখানি আমার একটু কনফিউশন হচ্ছিল যে আপনি যে লাস্ট রুটটা চয়েস করলেন বাকিগুলো যে বাদ চলে গেল
তুমি
মানে
দেখো,
কিভাবে
তুমি দেখো, তুমি আনমিউট থাকো, ঠিক আছে? তুমি
ওকে স্যার
আনমিউট থাকো। এ দেখো
ওকে
এন
স্যার
দিয়ে সবার শুরু, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে স্যার
পরেরটা n/3 ম্যাচ করলো, কিন্তু
হ্যাঁ
এইটার
স্যার
পরের টার্মটা কি আর n/3 না তার থেকে বেশি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পেরেছি
তাহলে এই
বেশি
দুটো তো এমনি বাতিল চলে গেল। এবার এদের মধ্যে মিল হলো। এর পরের টার্মটা
ওকে স্যার
দেখো 2n/9, এরটা কোথায়? 4n/9,
ওকে স্যার
কার
ওকে
ওজনটা
স্যার বুঝতে
বেশি?
পেরেছি
ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ 4
এরকম ভাবে যাবে, নিয়ে সেগুলোকে অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে হবে এইচ এর টার্মে, যেরকম ভাবে আমরা এখানে অ্যারেঞ্জ করলাম। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার
কারণ
বুঝতে
তুমি তো
পেরেছি হ্যাঁ
এইচ খানা লেভেল ট্রাভার্স করেছো, তবে তুমি লাস্টে পৌঁছেছো। তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই
ইয়েস স্যার
n বাই সামথিং টু দি পাওয়ার এইচ তুমি গেছো, যেটা 2 টু দি পাওয়ার এইচ হতে পারে, 3 টু দি পাওয়ার এইচ হতে পারে, 3/2 টু দি পাওয়ার এইচ হতে পারে, হোয়াট এভার, সেটা
ইয়েস স্যার
তোমাকে বার করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝতে পেরেছি থ্যাংক ইউ
ওকে, এনি আদার কোয়েরিজ? I do not know whether they have or not. Amber, Olivia, Akshay, any query? Orithro,
স্যার
স্যার
অর্ণদীপ?
একটা
হ্যাঁ
জিজ্ঞেস করছি।
বলো বলো, আমি তো বলছি জিজ্ঞেস করতে, বলো।
বলছি স্যার ওই এন হ্যাঁ n/3/2 টু দি পাওয়ার ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1 নিয়ে যেটা সলভ করলাম না এইচ এর ভ্যালুটা,
হ্যাঁ
তো
ওইটা কি করে
ওইখানে
আসছে তো?
ইকুয়াল টু না ইকুয়াল টু 1 নিয়ে কেন সলভ?
এই দেখো, এই যে বাঁদিকে লিখেছি বেস কেসটা 1,
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
আর
আচ্ছা।
আমরা এটাও
হ্যাঁ
বলেছিলাম
হ্যাঁ ঠিক
লিভ,
আছে।
মানে সবার লাস্ট লেভেলে যখন যাবে তখন তার মানে সেটা বেস কেসে পৌঁছে গেছে ধরতে হবে, নাহলে তো এটা চলতেই থাকবে, তুমি তো বেরোতে পারবে না
হ্যাঁ
এখান
হ্যাঁ
থেকে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ওকে
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ওকে, অর্ণদীপ, অবিনাশ, এনি কোয়েরি? অর্ণদীপ, অবিনাশ, অভিষেক, any query? Devdut, Devjit, any query? Otherwise I cannot proceed further. Devopriyo, Bhima,
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
বলছি স্যার ওই যে যেটা ক্যান্সেলেশনের পার্টটা আছে ওইগুলো
হুম
তাহলে শুধু নোটগুলোকেই লিখতে হবে আমাকে।
হ্যাঁ, নোটগুলোকে লিখতে হবে, মানে তোমাকে ওই পাথটা বার করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে? হুম
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ওকে। কৌস্তভ, কৃতি, any query? Devdut,
No, sir.
Abhishek, any query? Ornodip, any query? I want to get your voices, otherwise I will mark them as absent. Okay, Avinash, any query? So they will be put as an absent. Mona Lisa, any query?
No,
Navamita,
No, sir.
Nirupam, any query? Paulomi, Pushpendu, any query?
No, sir. No.
Rahul, Raviranjan, any query?
নো স্যার
Shayok, Podda Shayok, Shayok Pramanik, Shayok Ghosh, any queries? Saurabh Chandra, কোনো query আছে তো বলো? Any
No,
queries?
no,
ঠিক আছে? ওকে, শুভদীপ, কোনো
No,
কোয়েরি
sir.
আছে? সুজন, সুনেত্রা?
No, sir.
No
Okay.
query, sir.
Tell them to join these two fellows, Arunodip and Avinash. I didn't get their voice. Okay, Aheli, any query? Aditi, no
No,
queries?
no, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. ठीक है, चलो. So this part is over. So those who raise some questions, for them it is an assignment. So you people solve it. If you couldn't able to solve, then I will definitely solve it in the next class. Just take this to assignment. So this is based on recursion tree. T of n equals to twice T of n by 2 plus n square, which somebody has raised one question না কাকে যেন বললো স্যার n থাকলে n অন্য কিছু হবে, তার কথারই আনসারে আমি দিচ্ছিলাম এটা একটা কোয়েশ্চেন। Anyway, those who have raised one said not all time the cost will be same or not. Okay, this is one, you have to solve it. And another one is very interesting. T of n equals to, I'm sorry, T of n equals to 4 into T of n by 2 plus n. এখানে কটা টার্ম আছে t এর লাস্ট এক্সাম্পলটায়? কটা t এর টার্ম আছে? চারটে। আর t লেস টার্ম কটা আছে? একটাই। তাহলে এটা যদি 3 টা সাজাও, it will be T of n by 2, T of n by 2, T of n by 2, T of n by 2. So is it a binary tree or not? Is it a binary tree? No. So not all times you are supposed to get the binary tree. Okay? And what will be the root here? What will be the root here?
n
A root
square
হবে n square. And what are the two childs? T
n by
of
2 T of
T
n by
of
2
yes, T of n by 2. Another one, T of n by 2. Okay? So whenever you expand it now, be careful. তুমি কিন্তু n square থেকে T of n by 2, T of n by 2 পেয়েছো। Now if you put here T of n by 2, then you will get twice T of n by কত পাবে? n by কত পাবে?
4
কত পাবে? 4 তো? But be careful. Here, what is the root? Be careful. What is the root? N square. Okay? So from n square you are getting 2t of n by 2 two times. So be careful. Sorry. So be careful for expansion of it. Be careful for expansion of it. Be careful. Okay? So t of n by 2, t of n by 2, fine. Okay? But n by 2 whole square will be the root or will be the parent next time. So if anybody expand it na, it would be n square, then it would be n by 2 whole square, n by 2 whole square. And here there are 4 terms, t of n by 4, t of n by 4, t of n by 4, t of n by 4. So be careful. Be careful.
हेलो सर सर
बोलो बोलो।
कॉस्ट एक बार कैसे निकालेंगे कैलकुलेट करेंगे वो एक बार समझा दीजिए
कॉस्ट कहाँ का? किसका?
सर हर एक लेवल का
एडिशन कर लेना, ऐड देम अप। हियर इट इज n स्क्वायर।
टी की जो टर्म है वो
हाँ, फिर बोल दो।
टी का जो टर्म है जैसे टी एन बाई टू और टी एन बाई टू तो दैट
हाँ।
एन बाई टू एंड एन बाई टू ऐड होगा ना?
हाँ, ऐड होगा तो ऐड होगा तो यहाँ पर n स्क्वायर खाली है, यहाँ पर क्या होगा? n स्क्वायर बाई 4 प्लस n स्क्वायर बाई 4 मिला के क्या होगा? n स्क्वायर बाई 2 ये ना आएगा? n स्क्वायर बाई 4 प्लस n स्क्वायर बाई 4 मिला के क्या होता है? 2n स्क्वायर बाई 4, 2 4 कैंसिलाइज होगा, n स्क्वायर बाई 2 होगा। ओके, ऐसा करते करते अभी देखो यहाँ पे कॉस्ट था n स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे क्या बदला? n square by 2. So that's I told, not always you will get the same cost. Okay, so but यहाँ पर भी तुमको h निकालना चाहिए and finally calculate it. Be careful. Summation, I applied multiplication as n into h because I am getting the same cost per level. That's why direct multiplication. But the description was addition or the sum of all the cost. So that is the
सर
clue.
तो
हाँ,
सर
बोलो।
इसमें तो सर कम होते जाएगा n स्क्वायर फिर n स्क्वायर बाई 2 फिर n स्क्वायर बाई 4 फिर n स्क्वायर बाई 8
Yes, very good, very
यस
good.
सर तो हम लोग
But
तो सर टॉप मोस्ट लेते हैं
top
मतलब
most
जो
लेते-
मतलब
हाँ।
जिसका सबसे ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है तो इसका तो सर n स्क्वायर आ जाना चाहिए मतलब सबमिशन करने की जरूरत होगा क्या?
देखो क्या होता है, योर आंसर इज राइट, योर आंसर इज राइट। h तो कैलकुलेट करोगे ना, age तो calculate करोगे definitely, but whatever you calculate age, but finally what you told the answer ना, most probably you calculated roughly as something of n square, तो big or big
Yes.
theta of n square, right? Yes, you are absolutely fine. Yes, you are absolutely right. Thank you. Very good. Okay, but you have to represent it in the form of a tree, go on the next step, then calculate the summation and so forth. Okay, done.
Okay, sir.
So these two are the assignments. You go on solving it. Okay. Any doubts regarding recursion tree and all? Any doubts? Hopefully not. Okay. Just my last part of today's discussion. Just for a 1 or 2 minutes. Madam has covered Master's theorem or not? Can anybody
Yes, sir.
confirm?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
madam.
sir.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Madam has covered, na? Madam started divide and conquer. Madam started
Ye-
the chapter.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Chapter.
Yes, sir. Last class we started.
Last class she started, na? Just I will give a brief introduction of divide and conquer because it is not a cup of my tea, because I will switch over to another part that is more interesting, that is dynamic programming, and most of the campus interviews are currently giving stress on dynamic programming. So next day I will initiate the discussion on the dynamic programming. But as madam has told divide and conquer, because I discuss some strategies of recurrence, so it is also my responsibility to talk about a little bit of divide and conquer. Just listen, it is not a serious issue. So sometimes it is easier to solve a problem by breaking up the problem into smaller problems. Okay, then finding solutions of the smaller subproblems or the problems and combining the solutions of the smaller subproblems. Combining the solutions of the smaller subproblems to obtain the solution for the original problem. So what I told, you will be given a problem, suppose it is P. You can break it into smaller subproblems. Okay, finding, so P1, P2, Pn, finding solution of those smaller subproblems S1, S2 up to Sn. Okay, combining this, you will get the solution of the main problem. Okay, so that's why this strategy is called divide, conquer, and combine. Divide, conquer, and combine, DCC. But the name of the chapter is divide and conquer. No combined terminology has been used because in general, it is observed that divide the problem into sub-problem and solve the sub-problems using recursion, that is called conquer, give you the result. Sometimes you divide the problem into n number of sub-problem, P1, P2 up to Pn, but among those, only one sub-problems will give you the solution. That's why combine strategy sometimes may be absent, but divide and conquers are always present. So that's why the name of the chapter most probably it was coined as divide and conquer. But sometimes divide का conquer के साथ combine भी जोड़ना पड़ता है. Your question will be, sir, how to divide the problem into sub problem? Definitely, there should be certain criteria associated with the problem, applying which you can break the problem into sub-problem. For an example, if you have the problem that is binary search, then normally what we do, we calculate the middle index, starting index plus ending index whole divided by 2, get the middle index. We compare the item with the item present at the middle index. If the item is greater, you have to move on to the right. If the item is small, you have to come to the left. That is a simple searching strategy where the main array is divided into two sub-array. Any one of the sub-array is taken into consideration. Okay, then you have the small sub-array divided. Any among these two will be taken into the consideration. So in this way, finally, you will get the searching item provided it is present. So it is division based on middle index calculation. Okay, so if you recall your data structure class, sorting algorithm, merge sort, quick sort, these two sorting algorithms, you divide the array into sub-array, but both the sub-array are required for your purpose. You may on dividing it further, but all those sub-arrays are required. You cannot throw anyone out. But in case of binary search, you can throw anyone out which is not required. Once it is decided not required, it will be not required in future also. But here you divide it, conquer it, and finally once the solutions are got, you combine it. Okay, so that's why here it is divide, conquer, and combine. Here it is divide and conquer. Okay, and calculation based on middle index, that is related to divide. Okay, so in this way the strategy for division changes or varies. Okay, so divide and conquer, this is a very important chapter, but my suggestion, just only one thing that I want to stress it over here, that though it is a divide and conquer, you should be very careful in mind that as you are solving it using recursion, so better to consider it in this fashion, that at the time of calculating the complexity, you please follow it. It is my advice, though I am not covering divide and conquer, it is one of my favorite chapters anyway. So T of n, if n is the total input of a particular problem, the problem may be searching problem, the problem may be sorting problem, whatever it is, in general, if n is the total input size and T of n, if it is the total time required for divide and conquer for any input of size n, then just it is my appeal to keep this mind, so that you can able to solve all complexity of the divide and conquer algorithms in general. You will find this equation g of n when n is small. Otherwise you will get time for first split, time for second split, that is n1, n2. These are the size of the sub problem. Okay, up to, if you have k number of sub problem, n of k. Okay, this is the time for solving the sub problems, that is called conquer time. Okay, plus another time is associated, this time is called divide time plus combine time. Okay, otherwise this part is very important. If you divide the problem into sub problem, the time associated to solve the sub problem is one part, that is called the conquer time, and divide time plus combine time is jointly represented. Okay, if you go through Master's theorem, you will get the same pattern. Okay, this is my request to all of you to keep it in mind, and once you can solve it, finally we'll come back here, that is the stopping criteria. Okay, in this way you can solve all problems as solved using divide and conquer. You can generally represent this in this form. Okay, fine. So definitely madam will cover it. So again I tell that it is not the part that I have to cover in the next class. Don't miss it, join 5 minutes before, because we are going to start a very important chapter which is really very important, that is dynamic programming. Okay, fine. Any queries?
No, sir.
No, all of you?
No, sir.
No,
Is it
sir.
okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
shall I stop sharing it? And just for asking that whether you have any doubts or not. Okay, clear? Okay, fine. These two fellow joined? No, they have not yet joined. Ornodeep, where are you? I want to talk to him. Ornodeep,
হ্যাঁ স্যার নেট প্রবলেম করছে স্যার এখানে মাইকটা অন হচ্ছে না
mic on হচ্ছে না, but are you still awake or have grabbed everything whatever we discussed? সব বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বোঝা গেছে
Okay, ঠিক আছে. So we are almost at the end of the class because I have not put any break in between. Cut off the class 10টা 50, 10:50. Cut off the class 9:30, 10:30 plus 20 minutes, 10:50. Okay, it is 10:40. You put your attendance into the chat box and leave. Thank you. And from the next class, it is my appeal to all of you to join 5 minutes before the commencement of the class. Okay. Okay, Paulumi, Tiasha, you might